One last hurrah. The last ride on the 99. 1:11:19. I think the thing that I'm going to miss the most about the 99 is the actual views from the 99 going north and south. Looking at the city skyline going north, looking out onto the sound going north and south. Now we're going to be down in a tunnel like ferrets. I hope that tunnel doesn't leak. That could be a problem. I guess I can be thankful that I was never on the 99 during one of the earthquakes. And now after today, that won't be a problem. Although, I don't know if being in a tunnel is going to be any better. Soak it in, folks. It's the end of an era. Tunnel closed, exit Western Ave when flashing. Tunnel closed, period. Or tunnel open, I guess. Just not the Battery Street tunnel. Should be quick getting through here, though. We shall see sometime in February, I'm told. Into the tunnel. Battery Street. It's kind of an ominous tunnel. I wouldn't want to get stuck in this tunnel during the apocalypse like in The Stands in Stephen King. And there it is. The last ride on the viaduct, January 11th, 2019.